Right, so this is the unboxing of the Redot Pay crypto card, right, the physical card. So when you get the mail, right, the mail let's take about 1 to 2 months to arrive, but that is how long it took for it to reach in my country of Trinidad and Tobago, right? So once it arrives in the country, it will be collected. Out of the envelope, this is what you would then see, right? So you will get this paperwork here that would explain to you what the card is about and stuff, right? So it supports almost 300 million ATMs worldwide. Payment made easy with the Visa Pay, Wave, that's a function Visa has, a new level of security with no expiry date or CV on the card. So the card is actually blank. I will show you all what the card does look like in just a second. And I could lock and unlock your card with one tap in the Redot Pay app, right? So so on the back side here, information about the card, right? This is up here higher, but you can see will be some information about where it came from and whatnot, right? You'll actually receive the physical card and the activation code and whatnot, right? Cool. So after you look at that, then this will be the card here, right? So it's a plain card, right? You would see Visa Platinum Business on the card. It is this chip and pin, so you get the chip, the Redot logo, and on the back of the card, right, you will see the name that you attach to the card. In this case is Yepcast TT. Right, you will also have a QR code to link to the Redot Pay app and so on. Right? Other than that, there isn't anything else on the card. To get your CVV number, right, and your regular numbers to put in on your card, it will be on the digital version in the app. Right, so if anyone was to get this card, they won't be able to actually just use your PIN or anything like that to make any online purchases, right? The card doesn't have any information in whatsoever. Well, so then we will use this card now to try and make a withdrawal at the ATM. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I have $20 USDT on the Redot Pay app, and I'm going to go to the ATM and try a withdrawal. Alright, so you'll see how that goes. You will see how much money I get and how much money I have remaining on the card. Right, so this is me in the ATM now, testing it out. I use the NFC tap to pay feature, right? And you would have to put in a code on the card on the app, right, to be able to withdraw. So after placing the code, I go to cash withdrawal, select credit card. I just run a small withdrawal, 100 TT dollars, which is my currency here, right? And as you can see, it is functional, it is working, and then you will get the withdrawal here, money pop out just like that. So as you can see, I deposited 20 USDT and I withdrew 100 TTD out of the app. Right, I now have 445, so that means I would have spent $15.50 to withdraw the $100. It came out to like $108 is what I would have paid to receive the $100, which is not too bad. Right, so that's the Redot Pay card. If it is interested, you could click the link in the bio, the description, and you could get link up with the card, $10 for the virtual card, and $100 US for the physical card to be able to withdraw from any ATM. Alright, so once again, 20 USD was deposited, and 15.5 was withdrawn, which is $100 TT.